Welcome to the Imperium Forex daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Overnight, the Australian bulls put in a brief appearance and went on a short joyride and attempted to try and take on the challenge of 76.10.15 but failed after printing a high of 75.94. From the retreat, I expect to see further weakness in the coming day and do look towards a target of 75.25.35 and reassess from there, as we could be seeing a break from that level and look towards 73.70 as a new objective. That being said though, we are a little bit oversold, so we could see a pause towards this level as we saw recently last month, November, from the lows of 75.25.35. Well, my concerns of the fact that MACD hadn't fully broken down, the euro takes a surge to the upside after the weakness of the US dollar plummeted towards the support that comes in at 92.55 on the index. Overall, I do expect to see further tests towards the upside foul, either from the 119.40.55 or up towards that level of 120.10.35. This will give sell opportunities for the traders, and I do expect to see a turnaround and take on the challenge of 118.70 and then eventually lower to 117.60.65. Well, the dollar yen case hasn't changed in the last 24 hours, and since the break above the 111.65.80, the market is now toying with the idea of taking the challenge to 112.75.85. From the MACD point, it is bullish, and I do expect to see further tests to the upside that could take the move up towards 113.60. Dips on the day likely to be shallow, and I do expect to see demand from the region of 111.40. Well, the pound rallies further overnight and now puts the market extremely in overbought conditions. I do expect to see a rejection from 135.90 and look back towards the downside. And the support seen at 134.40.55. Like before in September, we did get a firm rejection from 136, and I do expect that again. Well, the support in gold is failing, but holding at 1,270 at the moment. A break beneath there would give further concerns and could see a drop towards the recent lows around October of 1,258.60. I'm a little bit cautious from the bear case because we could get another advance from recently staged back in November. Resistance on the day is seen at 78. Silver still holding above that $16.35 support, and I do expect to see a rally from here and a look up towards the 70 region. The indicators are oversold from an RSI point, so a recovery is soon around the corner. And to wrap up with oil, well, the market is still contesting and looking to take on the challenge of 56.90 a barrel. A break beneath there, which I favour, should see a move towards $54.70. Any advances should fail towards the top side of 58.85.95 a barrel. So that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you have a wonderful start to the new weekend.